Hi, what's up, everybody? Welcome to Rich Life Insider, a place where future millionaires come together to get ideas. Today, we're gonna talk about a big stock market news. If you have been following our channel for a long time, make sure you comment below since when you knew about this channel. I would really love to get to know you. So if you are new to the channel, we talk about stock investment, real estate investment, and other types of investment, and how to make more money and succeed in life. So subscribe our channel, hit the bell so you do not miss any of our money making videos. So look at Tesla, it's already over 2,100. So it jumped 6.42% on August 26th. Market cap is for $401 billion. That's a lot. And 52 highs, we are getting close to 52 highs. And look at Netflix, it's also jumped 11.61% as well. And I made a videos about Netflix around August 20th. It was only 497.9. So market cap is 241.47 billion. So it's getting close to 52-week high as well. So what happened? So I talk about Netflix in this video. So if you haven't watched it yet, make sure you go and watch these videos. 3 stocks to buy. Netflix is one of them, and investor expecting Netflix to go because of this whole situation. Everybody stay home, and they also realize that these people are gonna stick with Netflix even after the whole thing is over. Even if vaccine is found, they gonna stick to the Netflix. So that's why Netflix stock jump. Not only that, look at Facebook. Facebook also jumped as well, 8.22% on August 26th. And I made a video about Facebook around that time. So yeah, it's jumped. And also market cap is 865 billions. We are close to 52 high, 304.67. So look at the easy money with Facebook. So I talk about how to make easy money with Facebook. If you haven't watched it yet, go and watch this video on July 28th. And today's topic is gonna be about a very recent big news. What happened? And also my prediction on the stock market. The bonus is gonna be somewhere in the video. And comment below if there's any stocks you would like me to feature. So today's it has something to do with Tesla, or maybe this news is good for the Tesla for future. And let's look at the stocks. Let's look at this stock. It's 1999. This stock was number 4, the 4th biggest company in 1999 after dot-com bubble. And Nokia was stay around in the top 10. And 2009 financial crisis, there is no more Nokia, but this company stay on number 2nd. Second it jumped. And let's look at 2014. This company is second as well, but look at the Apple technology company is getting close. And let's look at this company. It's no longer in this top 10 biggest company in the world. It's now dominated by technology company Microsoft, Amazon, Apple, Google, Facebook, Alibaba, Tencent. So what happened? What is that company? Do you know? If you know, comment below. Do not skip the video to look at. If you know that company, comment below. So that company is ExxonMobil. ExxonMobil 2014, then $100 oil. So it jumped to second. And a share is also in the top 10 as well. Wells Fargo stay here, but Johnson stay here as well. But ExxonMobil is number 2 at 432 billion. So this color indicates it's an energy company, but they are now out from Dow Jones. 3 companies are from Dow Jones: ExxonMobil, Pfizer, and Raytheon Technologies. So what are the 3 companies that are replacing these 3? It's going to be SalesForce, Amgen, and Honeywell. SalesForce is a CRM, cloud companies. Amgen is a biotech companies, and Honeywell, they manufacture heater and electronics, stuff like that. So why is this big news? Because ExxonMobil got replaced by a software stock after 92 years in a down. It's almost a century. ExxonMobil has been in a down for a long time. So now, maybe the time has changed. ExxonMobil is out already, and that this is the only second time in a decade, and second time in a decade, and a third time in this millennium. So once in 1,000 year event. So this happened, but ExxonMobil is one of the companies that goes out. It's not Chevron. So that says something about oil, and that says something about the ExxonMobil company as well. You know. So what is the reason? The reason is because of Apple. Apple had a split decision. They're gonna have stock split. So basically, once you have the stock split, the stock price become lower. So this Dow Jones is a price weighted index. So they decided, we have to remove some overlap between companies of similar scope, and also adding new types of business that's gonna better reflect the American companies. And so this is the main key point. Uh, Basically, what they are saying is that oil does not represent the economy anymore as much as the technology. So that's what they replace with the SalesForce. ExxonMobil has been in the company in the Dow Jones for more than about 92 years, and this announced changes also help offset the reduction, the price reductions of the Apple is gonna offset that, and Apple is gonna slide to number 17. The United Group and Home Depot and Amgen is gonna take over the top 3 spots as well. So the bonus video is gonna come in this video. So what to do now? So risk comes from not knowing what you're doing. So make sure you know before you invest in any company, you know the economy, you know the market, you know the company and the management as well. So only buy something that you will be perfectly happy to hold if the market shut down for 10 years. And I prefer to say that cash is a terrible investment. Cash is certain to depreciate value. So basically, don't hold cash. That's what he's saying. And success comes from knowing what you don't know more than coming from what you do know. Raytheon says that as well. So make sure you do know, and so that's why you're listening to this channel, so that you know about stock markets and real estate. So make sure you subscribe, share this video. That's gonna help out the channel a lot. If you haven't got any free stock, make sure you click the free stock in the comment or description, and free audiobooks as well. And there gonna be 3 links. 2 links gonna give you free stock, and make sure you deposit $100 so you get a chance to get 1,000 up to 1,400 stock as well. And another the third link is gonna be if you have only $10 and you want to invest in Apple or Facebook, you can invest it as well. The third link is gonna give you fractional share investment, so you're gonna get $10 from the last link. So if you want to invest in real estate education, kind of real estate license, the link's gonna be below as well. And the best credit cards, in my opinion, are in below. So if you need some cash, the best way is to get a credit card, so you get a free interest for 1 year or so. So if you're paying more than $15 a month for your mobile phone, you're paying too much. So you click the link below, so you get unlimited talking, testing, and data as well. Free credit travel credits is below as well. Click the link below. A bonus is coming. It's right here. So ExxonMobil, if you look at it, Nokia's struggle. So basically they lost the market. So that's what does it say? It says that if you want to become an investor, you need to know the trend. You need to invest in companies that gonna be the industry leader in the next 10 years, 20 years. And Nokia, unfortunately, couldn't struggle with the smartphone revolution, and so that's why they lost. And it's knowing the stock investment, knowing that getting the stock investment scale is very useful, because stock market has been around for a long time. In the past 50 years, stock market was around as well. In the next 20 years, the next 100 years, stock market is gonna be around as well. So knowing how to invest in stocks is a really, really valuable skill for your lifetime. ExxonMobil was number 4. This is GE number 2. So if you look at the GE also dropped as well. And ExxonMobil in 2009 was number 2. PetroChina. So because of the really hot economy in China, so a lot of the Chinese companies were in top 10. At the time, U.S. economy was in financial crisis at the time. And 2014, ExxonMobil was still number 2, and 432, the market cap jumped because it was a $500 oil. So Apple was number 1. So time had changed. If you do see that there's no energy company in the top 3, there's no oil company in the top 10, and so all the top 10, most of them are dominated by technology company. If you look at the color, Berkshire Hathaway is in top 10. Visa's gonna be top 10. Johnson maybe may drop off in future. That's what I'm thinking. My guess. Visa's gonna be around for some time. And so SalesForce price jumped after the news came out. The announcement came. SalesForce jumped to 16. Used to be 216, jumped over 27.7% to 276.32. The market cap is only 248 billion. There is, in my opinion, there's some room to grow for SalesForce. They could become 300 billion companies, 400 billion company, if they do it right. And my prediction is gonna be for oil will be bad for at least 3 years until 2023. I do not see oil price recovering, and that with this the whole situation, pandemic and stuff. So the demand may not be bad for some time. And you also have to think about Tesla as well. You know, there's a trend going towards solar energy, and California became this a state that require any new houses that big, they need to have a solar panel on the houses. So let's just imagine in future in US, if most of the houses gonna have solar panel, and they're gonna move to solar energy as well, you know, demand's gonna be diminished. If Tesla manage to grab 20-30% of the automobile market share, you know, Tesla's gonna just use battery. They are not using the crude oil. They are not using gas. If the Tesla can dominate China, all the electric vehicles gonna dominate the whole. Just say 50% of the whole world automobile demands. That's gonna create a drop in demand for oil. So I will avoid oil for some time. You know, maybe in future as well. Technology will stay be good for the next 5 to 10 years, 2025 to 2020. Of course, I just say 10 years because it's very hard to see over 10 years. But I would say that it's gonna be good until 20 to 30 years. Oil, no, I would just avoid oils. Natural gas, maybe there is some future as natural gas because we cannot convert to solar energy completely. Not within the next 2 years, and I think natural gas is gonna be good compared to oil. And so you know what's going on in the market, and economy is important for success in investing. And this video is for education and entertainment only, so I'm not a financial advisor or investment advice. So do your own research because all investment have risk. You can make a lot of money or you can lose all your money. So if you want to reach out to me, the best way, comment below on my YouTube video or Facebook, and you can also reach out to me on Facebook or Instagram as well. So subscribe and share, and let me know where you're watching this from, your city, state, and country. I would really love to get to know you. Comment below if you have any questions. Subscribe YouTube, like SalesForce on Facebook, and follow Instagram. Make sure you get the free stock and audiobooks in the description comment below. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.